going on, marvelous people? So for this video, I'm going to show y'all how to start making some cut green beans. Mind you, you can also do the same thing with the French style green beans, which is another set that I like to cook, as the vegetable for my entrees. So this video, as you can see, we got 3 cans of just the regular cut green beans. I also got some seasoning that I'll be using. Sazon is one of my favorites. Grew up on it. And then of course lemon pepper, and then I got regular salt and pepper here. Black pepper is in this, and I got Himalayan pink sea salt in this one. And the next thing you do is you'll put it back here on the stove, and you'll turn the stove to probably about the same as if you were cooking rice. I'll say medium high. And green beans, both French style and the regular cut that I have sitting here, they don't take long at all. They probably take maybe about 5 minutes at the most. Anywhere from a half a cup to a cup. And just pour the fresh water in there, because remember, we had drained them out of the can before. Starting to boil over here. And once you start seeing that happening, then you can turn your burner down to around about low heat, and then let it sit for, I'll say, maybe another 2 to 3 minutes. And now that your green beans are just about finished, then you just kind of want to make sure you drain all the water out of it and enjoy. That's it. You can add a little bit more salt and pepper, which is sometimes what I do, but there you go.